Guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to add windows and doors to your container home. So you're going to go to Model Library, you're going to choose Construction, or just wave your mouse over it. If you have a computer mouse, it'll make your life so much easier doing this. Now you've got all your doors here, so I want just a swing door here. Pocket doors will probably be really helpful to do in a container home, especially with bathrooms. They save a little bit of room, especially since you don't have as much room. Or even barn doors, those are kind of cool. So I'm going to do one swing door to start. And I'm just going to choose one that I like, so I kind of like this one here. And I'm going to put it in. Now, notice I have it going a certain direction right now. I'm going to put it in right here. If I want to switch it around, because right now the straight part is where the door opens to, I'm just going to hit the flip button, and that flips it around and over. Okay? So now I've got my door opening there. If I go to my 3D view up here, I can see it right there. Okay? Barn doors are also really cool. So if I go back to my doors section here, or I even like to go back out and come back in, you can do a barn door. You can see they do take up a little bit more room, but you can add some barn doors to your container home. So let's say I want my barn door to go right here. Obviously it takes a little more room, so I'd have to modify it. Okay, maybe just do one barn door. Now the really cool thing is if you do one over another area, a lot of times you should be able to just put it right over it, or you may have to hit replace. So I'm just going to actually delete that one. And I'm going to move this guy so that it's on. Yeah, it's not really going to fit there. So again, it's got to be able to fit on the wall that you have left. I don't have quite enough wall. Let's see if there's a shorter one. This guy's just a menu sign, which I could add right there, but my fridge is going to go there. So again, just kind of looking through the doors, and you got to make sure that they fit wherever you're doing. It doesn't look like any of these barn doors are going to fit what I have for that area. Okay, I could add one over here too. Looks like it accidentally put one there anyways. Okay, the other thing that you can add through the construction is your windows. Okay, you've got standard windows, floor to ceiling, bay window. So a bay window is where it sticks out a little bit. You can see here they kind of point out or fall out. I am just going to add in some standard windows. And again, you can see what color they are. Typically when you do a house, you choose all the same color for your standard windows. And typically windows, how they look are more like this brand. Okay, now I think it's actually easier to put windows in the 2D view than to have it in the 3D view, so I'm going to actually switch over to my 2D view and put the windows in that way. If you can see it goes a little bit faster. Now you can also take something and copy and paste it. So all I did was Control C, Control V, and then I can just add a whole bunch more. And they're all the same size. So I would suggest doing all those same windows at the same time if you know you're going to put a bunch of them in. Okay. The other thing that you can do is, let's say I want this window to be wider. You can use the dots to make it wider, or you can use the tools on the right hand side to make it wider. To make them much bigger windows. And then if I go to my 3D view, now you can see my windows are all in place there. Okay, as I go around. Obviously I won't be needing a window there, so if I just click it and hit delete, it gets rid of it. Now a lot of these cabinet sets do not have refrigerators, so you got to make sure you add the refrigerator in as well. And that's how you add windows and doors.